Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today in this video I will be showing you the best driving test route at Service NSW Burwood, and right now I am at Service NSW office in Burwood, and please watch this video carefully, and if you watch this video 10 times and practice on this route for 5 times without any mistake, then I am 100% sure you can get the driving license in one go. So let's go for the driving test. So guys, we will start from Service NSW Burwood. So check the mirrors and give the left indicator, and now we will take right on the George Street. Give the right indicator and check the traffic on both the sides. So when it is all clear, then you can turn right. Keep driving straight. And this is a pedestrian crossing. Give the way to the any pedestrian. And now it is the end of 40 limit area, and now the speed limit is 50. And go straight and take right on the Park Street. It is a Park Road. Take right on the Park Road. So this is a dotted line, mean you have to give way to the traffic on both the sides. So check the traffic on both the sides. So when it is all clear, then you can turn right. So there is a cars parked on both the side. You have to drive very carefully and make sure that you are not going to hit anybody. Sometimes people can exit out of the car at any time. So even if you are driving on the little bit on the right side on the dotted line, because it's a narrow road, so you can still do that. Instructor will not fail in the exam. So keep going straight. And now take right on the Park Avenue. Give the right indicator, give the way to the traffic coming from the front side. So take right. Go straight. Keep going straight. And this is the 40 area because of high pedestrian activity. So keep a watch on the pedestrian. Go straight and take left on Burwood Road. See, there is a keep clear area, so don't park your vehicle in this area. Even if there are a lot of cars, you have to give the space. Don't park there. So now we will take left on Burwood Road. There is a still red arrow for the left turn, so I will be waiting for the light. So if you are new to my YouTube channel, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, as on my channel I have couple of other driving test route video for different Service NSW centers. Please watch those videos also. And if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, then please subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell icon. So now you can turn left, but there is an emergency vehicle approaching. So you have to stop, wait for the emergency vehicle to pass, and now you can turn left. So go straight. It is still a 40 limit area. As you can see that 40 will be all the time because of high pedestrian activity. So on the hump, their speed limit will be 25, and there is a pedestrian crossing. You have to give way to the pedestrian. And there is a keep clear area. Don't park your vehicle at that area. So keep going straight. So when you are driving, if there is any siren for any emergency vehicle like a fire brigade, police or ambulance, then you have to pull the vehicle to the left side and so that the emergency vehicle could pass. So this is a hump again. Keep going straight. This is a 50 area and again a keep clear area. Don't park the vehicle there. You can't stop at that area, otherwise you will fail in the exam. Keep going straight and there is a red light speed camera, so you have to be very careful with the red light and speed camera. Don't jump the red light and your speed should be within the limit. So we will go straight from this set of light. And when you are giving the test, you have to be calm and patient. Now it is a green, you can start driving. Keep going straight. The speed limit is 50 here. There is a roundabout coming. You have to give way to the traffic coming from the right side. Keep going straight. Keep going straight. Keep going straight and go straight from this traffic light. Don't press the hard braking, just slow down very slowly. Okay, so it is a green light, so we can start driving. Keep going straight. The speed limit is 50. So keep going straight. Now it is a school zone between 8 a.m. to 9:30 a.m. and 2:30 p.m. to 4 p.m. So if there is a school zone timing, then you have to drive at 40. So don't exceed the 40 limit, otherwise you will straightway fail in the exam. So keep going straight. So he may ask you to change the lane. So give the left indicator, check all the mirrors. And we will take left here. Keep going straight. And now turn right on Excelsior Street. So take right. Keep going straight. This is a narrow street. You have to drive very carefully, very slowly, between 20 to 30 speed limit. Keep going straight. Keep going straight. Keep going straight. Keep going straight. And turn right on Wallace Street. Check the traffic on both the sides. Keep going straight. Keep going straight. Turn right on Burwood Road. Check the traffic on both the sides. When it is all clear, then you can go ahead. Keep going straight. Turn left on Elvin Avenue. So turn left on Evelyn Avenue. So go straight. Go straight. Keep going straight. Keep going straight. And he may ask you to do the 3-point turn on this quiet street. So give the left indicator first. Move the vehicle to the left. Check all the mirrors. And give the right indicator. And then stop and put up the vehicle in the reverse. Give the left indicator check all your mirrors and go back. Keep observing all your mirrors and don't go too far and stop, and put up the vehicle in the drive mode. Give the right indicator and you can start driving. And very well done. So you have done the 3-point turn. And he may ask you here to go for a curbside parking. Give the left indicator. We will park on the curbside. Check all the mirrors. Slowly pull the vehicle near to the curb. Don't hit the curb. And keep driving close to the curb. And when all the tires are straight, press the brake and put up the vehicle in the parking mode. And then turn off the engine, pull the handbrake, tell the instructor that you have done the curbside parking. So it is very well done. That's it. And now we will start going ahead and put up the vehicle in the drive mode. Give the right indicator, check all the mirrors and over the shoulder on your right. Then you can take the vehicle out. So keep going straight and give the left indicator. We will take left on the Burwood Road. Check the traffic coming from the right side. So when it is all clear, then you can go ahead. And this is the school zone area. So if you are giving test in the school zone, don't get nervous. Just simply drive less than 40 km speed limit. So we will go straight from this traffic set of light. So now we will go straight and he may ask you to change the lane. So give the left indicator, check all the mirrors and now change the lane. We will take left on the Stanley Street. So take left on the Stanley Street. Again, this is a school zone area. Drive very slowly. Drive very slowly. Keep going straight. So we will take left on the Burwood Road. Give the left indicator. So wait at the traffic light to turn green. So now we can turn left. So keep going straight. So from this traffic light we will turn right on Gibbs Street. So you have to give way to the traffic coming from the front side if you are turning right. So there is a red light camera, so don't jump the red light. Yeah, we can now turn right. So go straight. And now turn left on the Lansdowne Street. So turn left on this street. Keep going straight. The speed limit is 50 here. All the internal roads are having speed limit of 50 unless it is mentioned otherwise. So keep going straight. So keep going straight. And turn right on the Burton Street. Check the traffic on both the sides and turn right. So he may ask you to do the reverse side parking. We will do behind this red car. So give the left indicator first, stop parallel to the car, and then put up the car in the reverse mode. Check all the mirrors and take the vehicle behind. Take the vehicle reverse very slowly. Don't hit the curb. So when you are able to see the rear wheels of the car in front of you, then you can park. Put up the car in the parking mode, pull the handbrake, tell the instructor that you have parked. Okay, very well done. So now we can start ahead. Give the right indicator, check over the shoulders, and then you can bring the vehicle out. And we will take left on the Broughton Street. Check the traffic on both the sides. And this is a pedestrian crossing, give way to the pedestrian. So now we will take right on the Parramatta Road from this traffic set of light. Give the right indicator and go slowly because two lanes are turning right. So now we will change the lane. Give the left indicator and change the lane. And now we will turn left on the Grantham Street. Give the left indicator and slow down. And then you can turn left on the Grantham Street. So keep going straight. So during the driving test, be confident and keep observing all your mirrors and also keep a watch on the speedometer. Make sure that you are not over speeding. And like this is a marking for the cyclist, you have to be very careful. If there is any cyclist on the road, you have to give 1.5 to 2 meter space between your car and the cyclist. So we will take left on the Raleigh Street and there is a pedestrian crossing. You have to give way to the pedestrian. So don't stop on the pedestrian crossing like this car has stopped. So don't stop there. You have to stop before this pedestrian crossing. And then you can go ahead and turn left. Check the traffic on both the sides. And now we will turn right on the Park Road. So go straight. Keep going straight. So keep going straight. Keep going straight. And take left on Victoria Street. Give the left indicator. Keep going straight. And you are very close to the Service NSW Center, Burwood. And keep going straight. We will take right on LC Street. This is a one-way street. And we will take right. During the test, make sure that you have put up the L magnetic stickers on the vehicle. And now we will take right. This is a one-way street. And yes, you have completed your driving test. I hope guys you enjoy this video. If you have any question, please put it in the comments. I will be happy to answer. And please subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell icon. Thanks for watching.